In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is verified. It's a simple process that I'll guide you through step by step. Ensuring your PayPal account is verified is vital as it helps secure your transactions and gives you access to all of PayPal's features. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the official PayPal website, preferably through a secure and trusted internet connection. Open your web browser and type in the address paypal.com. You'll find yourself on PayPal's homepage featuring various services they offer. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. After you click on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly, and then proceed by clicking the Login button again. If you have two-factor authentication set up, PayPal might require you to confirm your identity. In this case, choose whether you want to receive a code via WhatsApp text or a regular text message. Just follow along with whichever option you prefer and enter the code when you receive it. This step helps keep your account secure, especially when accessing sensitive information. Once you're logged in and verified, you'll be directed to your PayPal account homepage. It's from here that you can manage your account settings. Let's move over to checking if your account's email is verified. Look for the gear icon, which represents settings, usually located near the top of your screen alongside the Log Out button. Click on Settings. Under the Settings tab, you'll find various options related to your PayPal account. For our purpose, navigate to Emails, which is where you'll verify if your account email is confirmed. By clicking on Emails, a new page will open showing a list of emails associated with your PayPal account. Pay careful attention to the tags next to your email addresses. If you see a confirmed tag next to your primary email, congratulations. This means your PayPal account email is verified. A verified account not only enhances security, but also ensures that you can seamlessly complete transactions without any hitches. That wraps up the process. By following these straightforward steps, you should have successfully verified whether your PayPal account is linked to a confirmed email address. Keeping your account verified is crucial for safe and smooth transactions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. Until next time.